and interior finishes. Experience the windows of tomorrow today. For a limited time only, get $300 off fiberglass or vinyl windows and $800 off fiberglass.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Here's the most important thing to know about insurance companies. In their world, they only see two kinds of people, those with a lawyer and those without one. Those they have to take seriously and those they can take advantage of.